Speculation over a cabinet reshuffle and possible leadership change in Karnataka has intensified within the ruling Congress. Senior MLA and Chief Whip Ashoka Patan said party leaders were assured of sweet news by the second or third week of May after meeting AICC General Secretary Randeep Singh Surjewala in Delhi. He added that around 40 MLAs are planning to approach the High Command again after May 4th when results of assembly elections in 4 states, 1 union territory, and Karnataka by-polls are announced. Sources indicated that the timing of any decision is likely after these results. While Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is said to be in favor of a cabinet reshuffle, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar is believed to prefer clarity on leadership first. Party insiders suggested that if a reshuffle is approved, it could indicate that Siddaramaiah may continue as Chief Minister for the full 5-year term, impacting Shivkumar's prospects. Meanwhile, Congress MLA H.T. Ranganath expressed hope that Shivkumar would receive appropriate recognition, with some leaders linking expectations to his birthday on May 15th. Shivkumar, however, stated that both he and Siddaramaiah would abide by the decision of the party high command. He said he had full faith in the leadership and did not disclose details of his discussions in Delhi. The leadership debate has continued since the government completed half its term in November 2025, amid reports of a power-sharing arrangement during its formation in 2023. Adding to the developments, a group of around 20 seers led by Pranabandha Swamiji met Shivkumar and reiterated their demand that he be made Chief Minister. They indicated plans to travel to Delhi to present their case before senior Congress leaders. There were also indications that some senior ministers, including Satish Jakioli, are in Delhi and may meet the party leadership as consultations continue.